Okay, I will be asking one question for all the top seats. This is your question. Why do you deserve the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Para sa akin, isa ako sa deserving o isa ako deserving manalo bilang isang Ginoong Ternate dahil hindi lamang bilang isang Ginoo, kundi ako ay isang Ginoo na mayroong misyon at layunin tulungan ng mga kabataan mula sa bayan ng Ternate. Dahil bilang isang edu student at bilang isang Ginoong Ternate, gagamitin ko ang oportunidad na ito upang makapag-collaborate sa ating barangay officials, SK officials, our Vice Mayor Kim Severano, and our local Mayor Lamberto Bambao upang magkaroon ng free tutoring sessions, book donation drives, and community learning corners. Sa pamamagitan nito, matutulungan ko namin ang mga kabataan sa bayan ng Ternateño upang palawakin ang kanilang kaalaman at magkaroon sila ng magandang kinabukasan. Because I always believe that education is the key that breaks the cycle of poverty, opens doors of opportunity, and prove that with knowledge, nothing is impossible. This is not
Thank you very much, Ginoong all four. This time, Ginoong all 11. This is your question. Why do you deserve the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026?
I believe that I deserve the title because I want to represent everyone who is insecure, who is feeling lost in their life. Everyone, including you and everyone who is here today, everyone who isn't here, to be courageous. Do the things you love to do and do the things you are afraid to do. Do it afraid. Do it without knowing doubt, because I believe that every one of us has the right to achieve our own potential and to reach what we can achieve in our lifetime before we leave here. That's all. And
Thank you, Ginoong 11. It's time for Ginoong 13. This is your question. Why do you deserve the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026?
I deserve to win the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026 because I am the type of person who is not giving up on the things that I wanted to achieve in life. Last 2024, I joined Ginoong Ternate and won the first runner-up title. At first, I felt disappointed on myself, but instead of giving up, I reflected it, improved myself, and came back stronger. And I know that this experience taught me to have a values and maturity. And I know that with everything that I've learned on this pageant, I'm already equipped and ready with all that what it takes to be your next Ginoong Ternate 2026. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoong 13. Now let's have Ginoong 15. This is your question. Why do you deserve the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026?
Deserve naman na lahat na manalo. Hindi lang ako, at deserve din ang mga candidates dahil kasi nagbigay kami ng effort, time, and dedication sa pag-practice. And bilang isang Ginoong Ternate, nais ko po kipahelsin ng mga advocacy na mas pagpukosa po natin ng innovation. Dahil ang innovation po ang isa sa susi para maramdaman tayo ng lakas at pagbabago sa ating buhay. Dahil ang innovation po ay isa sa mga pagkakas sa atin sa buhay at makakapagbabago ng ating pamumuhay sa araw-araw. And naniniwala po sa kasabihan na mahirap mga pangarap ang mahirap, pero walang mahirap sa tamang susunod. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoong 15. Now let's have Ginoong 16. truly deserve the title of Ginoong Ternate 2026.
As I advocating for gender discrimination, I think Ginoong Ternate is one of the best opportunity to express myself, to be myself, and to be more about my advocacy. A person who standing in front of you is a person who has a dedication, who has a courage, who can inspire others, and I am that person. Thank you.